Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and you can tell by the title of this video, but basically guys, today I'm going to be showing you the best Ulta Beauty promo codes for 2024. Now Ulta Beauty, obviously pretty obvious if you found this video, is a beauty and makeup website, and I'm going to be showing you the ultimate promo codes and probably the best Ulta Beauty discount codes that you're going to find. You can get a $100 off code, or you can also get a 50% off your next order code. And yeah, let me run through these steps, so just make sure you follow all of the instructions that I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So you need to use your mobile phone and go to your internet. I'm using a iPhone and I've opened up a Safari internet browser, but yeah, it doesn't really matter which combination you use, and you need to go to this website, www.topdogcodes.com. so you're looking for Top Dog Codes, and this is the website here. Just make sure you type it exactly how I typed it there. And in the search bar at the top of the page, so you can see below the Top Dog Codes logo, it says search below to find what you're looking for. So in that search bar, type in Ulta, and it's going to pop up here, Ulta Beauty Coupons and Deals. Now click on that page and scroll down, and as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, there are a couple of different codes that you can choose between. There's a $100 Ulta Beauty promo codes, and there is also 50% off your next order code. So click on show coupon on the coupon you wish to unlock, and basically guys, you can see here we need to get the full code. And it's pretty easy, but we need to unlock the code. This just basically allows one code per person. So tap unlock code. Okay, and now you're going to see this Ulta code unlocker. Now we need to basically follow the instructions that you can see on this screen. It says complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below, and this is basically going to verify you are a real person. So on my screen here you can see I have a list of different tasks that are all completely free, and these tasks range from basically playing some free games and completing certain levels. Alternatively, you can also just answer some questions in some free surveys. So basically guys, you have to follow the instructions below the 2 tasks that you choose, and yeah, it tells you exactly how to complete them. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to complete 2 of these, and then when I return, we can see if it gives me my Ulta Beauty promo codes. So give me around 5 to 10 minutes whilst I complete these. Okay guys, so I just spent around 5 to 10 minutes completing a couple of these free tasks. So I did that one at the bottom where basically I had to answer some questions, then enter in a valid email address, and then I just downloaded this game at the top, this Family Island one, where I had to play the game until I completed level 8. So now I've fully completed 2 of these. I'm going to press my tabs button, and it should now, you can see I've got this Ulta Beauty Coupons tab. If you do not see this tab containing your code, you may have done something wrong. So just do ensure you fully complete a couple of those tasks. Open that page up, and you can now copy your personal and unique Ulta Beauty promo code and apply it in the basket for $100 off your next order. That is how easy it is. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes. I think it's well worth it considering how much money you're going to be saving. So go to topdogcodes.com, search for the Ulta Beauty's promo code page, and enjoy your saving. Hope you enjoyed the video. Smash that like button. Let's see if we can get 100 likes on this video, and I'll see you in the next video guys. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out.